All right, great to have you here. The internet is the greatest breakthrough of the 21st century. It's a phenomenal advantage, it's a phenomenal breakthrough. All right, with 4.2 million people online every day, it's a massive one. And there is this connectivity with the growth and the development of the social media. Okay, everybody is connected irrespective of your status or your financial state or who you are. We are connected on the social media platforms. All right, and this is a huge advantage. All right, and the internet has affected everything from sports to industry to medicine to farming. Think about it. Everything is transformed. Somebody said to me the other day, he said that everything that you want to accomplish right now is at the snap of the finger. It's awesome. All right. So for you that is thinking about starting a business, why don't you try online business? Okay. Now the reason being that the entry bar into online business is very, very low. All right. It is very, very low. Unlike the brick and mortar business, the entry into online business is very, very low. In the brick and mortar business, you got to rent the shop, you got to buy inventory, you got to spend money, you got to run your organization, set up an organization, all right, which takes time and take a lot of resources. But when it comes to online business, especially if you're doing the affiliate model of online business, you don't need all that. All right, all that you need to set up is like your maybe set up like a website and your funnel, which doesn't really cost much, not up to $200. All right, I don't know what country you're watching me from, but not up to $200 or $350. You're good to go. Please, if you're new to this channel, I encourage you at this moment to please subscribe to my channel. All right, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button and the like button, and then leave a comment. All right, let's make this video an encouraging one. So starting an online business is very, very inexpensive. Okay, it's very, very inexpensive and anybody can do it. All right, now the second reason is that when you are into an online business, you have this flexibility of time. What I mean by flexibility of time is that you have time to yourself. You can choose when you want to work, whether you want to work in the morning, you want to work in the afternoon, you want to work in the night. You choose when you want to work. Okay, it's not like the 9 to 5 job when you have to work, or it's not like setting up a brick and mortar business where that you have to be there at all time. All right, you choose when to work. Okay, you choose when to work. All right, and the third reason is this: you have freedom of location. When you're doing online business, you have freedom of location. What I mean by freedom of location is that online business can run from anywhere, no matter where you are, even if you're in your village. All right, even if you're not in your country, you're on holiday in Thailand. All right, you can run your online business from there as long as you have your an internet connection and your laptop and your phone, your ATM. You are good to go. All right, now the reason being that the system is set up already. The system is set up already and running on the internet. It doesn't sleep. You may sleep, but the system is not sleeping. The system is awake, answering your customer, collecting data, issuing receipt, and doing whatever thing you want to do. All right, that is the advantage. Please, if you're new to this channel, I want you to subscribe at this moment. Subscribe and hit the notification button. Now, the fourth reason is that when you are doing online business, you determine your income. All right, you are the one that determine how much you want to learn. Okay, there is this huge income and growth potential. You determine how much you want to learn, you want to earn. All right, your income is in proportion with the amount of time that you are ready to put in. Okay, your income is in proportion with the amount of time that you are ready to put in. So if you put in not too much time, then you're going to gain not too much income. But when you put in a huge quantity of time working, you're definitely going to make money. All right, and Another beautiful thing about this online business is that it runs for 24 hours. It doesn't close because it is set up on the internet. It runs for 24 hours. It runs for 24 hours. The internet does not sleep. When you wake up at any time, it's running. Unlike the brick and mortar business where you have to shut down at a particular time. But internet business or online business does not shut down. It's there and it's working. And then you can eventually, when your business have grown, you can eventually outsource work. What I mean by outsource work is that you can give your work to freelancers to do for you and send them down to your site or to your email. All right, send it to you online and you do whatever thing you want to do with it. These are the beauties of doing online business. All right, those are the beauties. And you can also it helps you to focus on what matters to you. Okay, online business help you also to focus on what matters to you, unlike other type of businesses where you have to do carry out tasks that doesn't really matter, that are not so related to the business, that does not influence result. In online business, you focus on what works. It gives you the capacity to focus on what works. Okay, your focus on what works. The internet made everything so easy to do. So why you need to start an online business right now, I've given them to you. Okay, and like I always do in most of my videos, I will always recommend you starting affiliate marketing. Do affiliate marketing. If you want to go into online business, I recommend you go into affiliate marketing. The reason being that in affiliate marketing, you are not buying the product that you're going to be promoting. You're not paying for them. All you need to do is to sign into an affiliate program, get the training, learn how to set up your funnel, learn how to do your email, learn the system, all right? And you are good to go and you begin to earn money. You are not spending a dime, all right, for your inventory. You're not spending a dime for anything that you're going to be promoting that resonates with you. You're not spending a dime. All you need to do is sign into an affiliate platform and begin to promote the product and begin to make money. And in case you want to start affiliate marketing, I will leave a link at the bottom of this video of an affiliate platform that you can sign in. If you're in Nigeria or anywhere, you can sign into expertnair.com, begin to promote product on that platform and begin to earn money. And at the same time, I'm going to leave a link to a program that would take you by the hand and show you how to start an online business. All right, it's a fail-proof system. It held me by the hand and taught me how to set up my online business. And I tell you folks, I crush it online. I make money online. All right, and what I want to do with my videos is to hold you by the hand and teach you how to earn money on the internet. It's so beautiful earning money on the internet. Anybody can do it. It's no rocket science. Please subscribe to my channel right now, hit the notification button and leave a comment. And God bless you. See you in my next video. Kudos. See you then.